let me just show you guys just the fast track. This is just the fast track of getting to A6. A6 is a huge rank in our company. It's the first leadership rank, and it's the first profit sharing or revenue sharing rank that we have in the company. And so I want people, especially you, Becky, especially you, Mary, especially you, Kurt, which you're already there, but I want all of you guys to race to get to A6. And I want you guys to get to A6 as quickly as possible, because then you start profit sharing with the company. Meaning that when we kick the doors open in Peru, your check goes up. Not because you have a ton of people in Peru, but just because you're qualified to earn this global bonus pool. So you want to race to get to A6 as quickly as possible, and you can do it. Here's a simple way. There's lots of ways to get to A6, but this is a simple overview. We call it our M3 activation system. Let me just show you how simple this is. This can happen in 4 months. Just by doing pretty much, in my mind, kind of the bare minimum can help somebody get to A6 in 4 months. Let me show you how simple it is. So month one, let's say that you are taking the role of Mario. So Mario's there. Becky, you can see on the screen there that you're Mario and you're brand new. You're excited about this, and you start talking to a few people about this. If you do a handful of things in your first month, let's say it's not in your first month, let's say it takes a couple of months, but here's a simple way to get to A6. Enroll 5 customers on product. In this example, they're on $100 worth of products. So that would be 1 link and 1 Optibend, and you've got the volume, maybe even a little less than that, but a link and an Optibend would qualify. And you help find 1 other like-minded individual that wants to build a business and make some money. Or maybe they don't even want to make some money. They just want to get their product for free, and they just don't want to pay for it. And so they say, hey, if I can help share it with a few people and get my product paid for, great, let's do that. So month 1, you enroll 5 customers, 1 distributor. That's it. 5 customers, 1 distributor. Month 2, you now enroll 2 more distributors, and you help your first distributor, in this example, Maria, you help Maria find 5 customers and 1 distributor of her own. Now, just by doing that in month 2, you personally enrolled 8 people. You've enrolled 5 customers. You've enrolled 3 like-minded entrepreneurs, business people. Okay? By doing that, you have earned, between the 2 commissions, you've earned right at around $500 now from the company. Month one, you're at $200. Month 2, you're at $350. So within your first 2 months, you've earned $550 from the company. And the beautiful thing about this is now that you're starting to earn some residual income, meaning that you don't have to go find more people. You just need to help the people that you personally brought in find some of their own. So month 3, all we do is duplicate that 1 more time. Now all we do is we help Maria find her next 2 distributors. We help Juan and Antonio find their 5 customers and their first distributor. And just by doing that, you've reached the rank of A4. You've earned product credits. You've earned $350 last month. Now you're earning a total of $604. So basically you've doubled your income. Now you're at well over $1,000 in earnings that you've made. Now, all you've spent is what you purchased the pack with, and then any of your own product purchases. So let's say you buy a bottle of Link or a bottle of Optibend, whatever it is that you're talking about. And now you're using Active's money to use these products. Now what's fun is when you go and talk to other people about it and they say, well, how much does it cost? You can say, you know what? I don't even pay for it anymore. The company gives me a check every month so that I can buy the products so that I can use these products on a monthly basis. So $604 in month 3. All we've done is duplicate that 1 more level. We've helped Maria find her new ones. We've helped Juan find 2 more distributors. We've helped Antonio find 2 new distributors. So all we've done from month 2 to month 4 is helped our new people have success. We haven't enrolled anyone new. We've only enrolled our 3 distributors and our 5 customers. Just by doing this example here, you'll reach the rank of A6. You'll be earning well over $1,000 a month. In this example, with the orders that they're placing and the enrollments that they're coming in on, they're upwards of $1,300 a month. That doesn't include the share in the global bonus pool, that profit sharing pool. So that's on top of that. So it could be upwards of $400 or $1,400, $1,500, depending upon how many people are qualified for that. But this is the fast track to get to A6. It talks about enrolling 5 customers, 3 distributors, and helping your 3 distributors do the exact same thing. Enroll 5 customers, 3 distributors, 5 customers, 3 distributors. Doing that month after month in a fast track, you can get there. And some people, I'll just be completely candid, we have some people in the company that have done this in their very first month. In the very first month they enroll, they have reached the rank of A6 just by enrolling more people and helping the people that they've brought in to enroll people as well. So simple system. When people talk about how do you maximize the compensation plan, that is one way to do it. It's about enrolling a handful of people, and then most important to that whole process, helping those brand new people to have success, helping them to duplicate the same effort that you put into it by doing the exact same thing.